Crew Car Wash and Big Brothers Big Sisters of the Wabash Valley partnered today for the 10th annual Crew for Kids fundraiser. As part of the fundraiser, Crew donates 50% of all ultimate washes, valued at $20, to Big Brothers Big Sisters. Crew also accepts credit and cash donations to the organization. Big Brothers Big Sisters allows for community mentors, or Bigs, to work with children called Littles to help them reach their full potential. Today's event allows Bigs and Littles to gather and support the agency that brought them together.
I think it's a great community collaborative, and we're getting the word out there, and people are clearly driving by and coming through. They're seeing Big Brothers Big Sisters, they're seeing Crew. It's just a really good to collaborate with the community. It's a great mentoring program. It's not only good for the littles to have a mentor, but I think that the bigs get just as much from it. Mentoring and being that positive role model in a little kid's life, it's just great.
Last year, Crew locations throughout Indiana raised more than $94,000 for Big Brothers Big Sisters during the event. Crew Car Wash will be open and accepting donations until 9 p.m.